countries, claiming this is theirs. This is none of us. This is not yours. This is not mine. You came on this world. You came in this world. You see this world, and you're gonna leave this world. Okay, this world gonna be here. You're gonna go. Right. That's the saying. You come from the dust, and the dust you shall return. No, none of these politicians, these prime ministers, presidents, or whatever, I'm saying, doing what they're doing. Listen, every one of them got to give account. And I'm not here to judge or nothing, but I'm telling you, man. I'm saying, pray, people, pray. I'm saying, this is the time. We're living in the time right now. I mean, trust me, it's like the last days. You understand what I'm saying? So make sure you stay prayer out. Make sure you ask God to guide you, protect you, your family. What I'm saying, as you try. What I'm saying? That's it. Secondly, yo, let me talk now to my Jamaican people. Big up on the damn self. What I'm saying? If you're over there in the diaspora, wherever you at, man, Buju Bantam would have said, you're right, sure. You spend the whole of your time very hard, right? And now you come living like that. What I'm saying? Just remember where you come from. What I'm saying? Remember, guys, make sure you build up back home. What I'm saying? Because you never know. What I'm saying? If you have to go back there, and you want to make sure that you set a foundation, so whenever time you go back to Jamaica, you'll have something. What I'm saying? That anybody out there in whatever country, if that's not the country that you were birthed from or whatever, and it just feels as if it come a point where you don't feel welcome. What I'm saying? Just make sure that you set a foundation where you from. What I'm saying? Again, I pray that this world, you know, um, just have love and just have peace. What I'm saying? I pray that one day, we as people, we can just, you know, just live as one. I'm gonna finish this live stream with a song from Bob Marley. We go like this. And don't judge my singing. One love, one heart, let's get together, feel alright. Sing with me, man. One love, one heart, let's get together, feel alright. It's your boy, Keep It Real, Andrae. Keep it real always. Remember, like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm out.